Hello, today I'm going to talk about the latest quarterly financial performance of bearing companies and the picks from the segment. Bearing companies overall have posted a disappointing set of numbers primarily because of the weakening demand coming from both the automotive segment and the industrial segment. We have chosen three companies from the space. First is the SNL Bearing, second is Menon Bearing, and third is the NRB Bearings. Let us discuss the key highlights from the result. First, talking about their top line growth, all of these companies have posted a subdued growth in its top line. SNL posted a growth of around 0.1%, Menon Bearing posted a growth of around 9.9%, and NRB Bearing posted a growth of around 17%. The strong growth in NRB is primarily because of the aftermarket and export market. Moving on to their operating profitabilities, all of these companies have posted a significant contraction in their EBITDA margin. SNL witnessed a EBITDA margin contraction of around 661 basis points. Menon Bearing posted a contraction of around 220 basis points, and NRB Bearings posted a contraction of around 194 basis points. The contraction is primarily because of the lower volume, leading to negative operating leverage, which led to increase in the operating and employee expense. Now, moving on to stock outlook, there are a couple of factors that we need to look out for. Since all of these companies cater to automobile segment, let us discuss the this segment outlook first. Automobile segment in India has been reeling under multiple blows, primarily because of liquidity crunch, non-availability of retail finance, increase in the total cost of ownership, primarily because of mandatory long-term insurance. All of these factors have dampened the demand for commercial vehicle, two-wheeler and passenger vehicle segment, and this is evident in the latest quarterly result of these bearing companies. However, the long-term outlook continues to be very positive, primarily because of low penetration of passenger vehicle segment in passenger vehicles in India, government's focus toward construction, mining and infrastructure activities. Next, moving on to the raw material prices. Raw material prices continue to be a very big challenge for these companies, as is evident from their EBITDA margin contraction. However, the raw material prices are coming off and we may see a EBITDA margin expansion going forward. And finally, attractive valuations. Amid market volatility and weak demand, the stock prices have corrected significantly, making the valuation attractive for these companies. SNL is trading at around 10 times, Menon Bearing is trading around 16 times, and NRB Bearing trades around 20 times FY20 projected earnings. So overall, all these three companies are well placed to take the advantage of the growth coming in the automobile segment in India. That's it from my side. For more news and update, please log on to moneycontrol.com.